Part 5 of our Indian Constitution. Chapter 5 deals about Comptroller Auditor General of India, CAG, the most important administrative position which was created according to Indian Constitution. Comptroller Auditor General. He was appointed by the President of India. He verifies records and expenses of the governments. So whatever expenses utilized by the government, spent by the government, either central government or state government, these bills and expenses receipts scrutinizes by the Comptroller Auditor General of India. On which purpose amount may be released by the big government of India, that must be utilized for that purpose only according to accounting rules. The most important administrative position. He verifies bills and records. So he scrutinizes almost all the expenses of the central or state government expenses. So he acts as the watchdog of government money or contingency fund of India. So according to Constitution Article 148 to 151 deals about the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Former Comptroller Auditor General, so he investigated, he identified the most corrupt practices. They are 2G spectrum allocation, Commonwealth scam and coal mine allocation. The most important corrupt practices in which was occurred in our country, that was identified former CAG Vinod Rai. So this position is crucial and important. So finally CAG Comptroller Auditor General, he submitted its report to President of India. Finally it may be introduced in the House Indian Parliament. So Indian Parliament scrutinizes, verify the report of Comptroller Auditor General. Let us discuss about each article of Comptroller Auditor General. According to Article 148, Comptroller and Auditor General of India, there should be Comptroller Auditor General of India according to Article 148. Article 149 deals about the duties and powers and functions of the Comptroller Auditor General of India. Duties and powers and functions of the Comptroller Auditor General of India. Article 150, form of accounts of the Union and of the states. Form of accounts of Union or state. And Article 151, audit reports. It explains audit reports.